Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on baby hairs. No baby hairs? No problem, I got you. So we all know baby hairs are like a booming thing now, and I mean they have been for a while, but there's some of us that just don't got baby hairs, you know what I'm saying? Like me, I was one person to have a full-grown adult hairs, trying to have baby hairs, but I just didn't have any. I don't know, my hair just grows so much. All my baby hairs were adult hairs at age 2. Okay, and a lot of people have been saying, dang, your baby hair is looking good today in my most recent posts. So, you know, I did a little trick to get my hair like all these. And that little trick I'm gonna share with you guys today. Okay, you're probably gonna freak out just a little bit, but I'm about to redo my baby hairs today because they've grown already a lot. And there's only a few tools you're gonna need. A little baby hair brush. I got this one off of Amazon. It's got a comb and a little brush. Some gel or edge control, whatever you use. I use the Ecos Styler gel in the clear one. A little spray bottle full of water. And then there's one last thing that you're gonna need. Yep, you're gonna need a pair of hair scissors or any scissors. I prefer hair scissors because they're sharper. I don't know. Any pair of scissors would work. So you're gonna need some scissors today. I'm gonna stop before I poke my eye out. Okay, so this is the before. And mind you, I have done this before, but I'm just gonna basically repeat the steps so you can see what I did. First, you're gonna need your little spray bottle, any spray bottle. This one I actually saw from Lisette. She has one of these cool ones, and I saw it at the store, and I was like, wait, that's what Lisette has. And then you're just gonna wanna spray the front of your head just a little bit so your little hairs are a little bit damp. I just want to massage it in so I can make sure the water don't just drip out on my face, because if so and it ruins this makeup, I'm probably gonna cry. Okay, so the front of my hair is damp now, so you just want to get a comb. There was an actual comb on the floor right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this regular comb so you guys know you can use any size comb. Alright, so you're gonna get the comb, and basically whichever way you want your baby hairs to go, you're just gonna part like a little bit of your hair out. So you're just gonna part this front part of your hair out, and as you can tell, mine's already short because I already did this, but I'm just showing you guys. So if your hair was really long, then you would probably part this just like that, and your hair will probably come down to here. Or if you just wanna revamp and fix your baby hairs because there's not enough, this is what you wanna do. And I have a little bit of baby hairs I like in the front, so I'm gonna pull out a little bit of hair in the front right here. And you don't want it like a huge chunk, you just want like a very thin part. You see how thin this is? Like, y'all see how thin this actually is? Yeah, it's really thin. And then you're gonna wanna stop like right here. You're not gonna wanna go all the way down to your ear, unless you wanna cut some little sideburns, which I always do, not gonna lie. But I'm not gonna do that right now. And then go ahead and get the other side. I like my baby hairs up here and then down there. So just go ahead and pull out, part some hair out, just like this. You're gonna go ahead and want to pull your hair back out of the way. I don't even have a hair tie in here. What am I doing? I have this little rubber band. This ain't gonna fit on my head. Okay, I'm back. Got a hair tie. Got my jumbo hair tie for this jumbo hair. So now that my hair is pulled back out of the way, we're gonna get to the baby hair part. So say you have baby hairs, but yours are really long, kind of like mine right here, then you can do this method and revamp them and whatnot. So now that you got this little frizz going on, you're gonna want to You're gonna go ahead and wet it one more time, just so it's a little wet, because mine already dried. Or you can just put a little bit of water in your hand and then just run it through. It's so much easier. Okay, and this is where it gets interesting. So you're gonna get your comb, and then you're just gonna basically hold all of your little hair that you parted out right here, because you don't wanna just chop it all. You wanna just chop some parts. So basically just grab little parts of your hair and pull it back into your regular ponytail. Just like that. And now you see I have a really thin amount of hair in my hands. And then this right here is when you're gonna wanna get your scissors, the scary part. I know. And you're just gonna wanna pull it all the way in the front of your face. Not down this way, but front this way. And then you're gonna get your scissors. And then I would say about right below your eyebrow, don't cut your eyelashes, okay? And then any of your extra hair, I have this, but if you have longer hair, you're just gonna go ahead and get your scissors and then cut it right there. And you see, you don't really cut off like much hair, but it's enough. So now that you have this, you're gonna do the same thing to this side. Pull back any of the hair, just pull back a lot of it. And then go towards your nose and cut. Yeah, I know. You're crying, aren't you? This is what your hair is gonna look like. You're gonna be like, oh heck no, oh heck no. But if you think about it, if you're a curly girl and then you just push this all back, it's gonna just stay inside of your curls. If you don't like this idea, just don't do it, okay? Just warning you, don't do it, don't cut. Me, I cut, I did it. You can't stop me. But now that it's all cut, I'm gonna show you the after process, and we're gonna go ahead and lay down these baby hairs so you can see the deal. Put some water in my hands, wet the baby hairs. Now I'm gonna get my Eco Styler gel, and then I'm gonna just get some on my finger, and then I just basically swoop it across my forehead like this. And the same to the other side. Just dip it and swoop it. 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 Okay, I need to stop. Okay, so after you do that, and then you're just gonna go ahead and get your little toothbrush, and I like to just straight line down like that. And then if you want to do swooped baby hairs, I like to use the comb part, and then I just get my baby hairs, brush it down, swoop it up, and then on the side again, brush it down, hold it, swoop it up. And then the same thing to the next side. Brush it down, swoop it up. And then after you've laid your hair, your edges, baby hairs down, then go ahead and let your ponytail out, fluff your hair, do whatever you gotta do. And bam, you got baby hairs. And there we go. That is how I got my baby hairs. I did my swooped baby hairs and not my waved baby hairs like I usually do. But if y'all want a tutorial on my little wavy baby hairs, then let me know and I will get that to you ASAP, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I didn't freak you out too much with the scissors on my hair. I know, but it's just okay. And we did a little bit. And it should be good. It should be Gucci. We good to go. And now my hair on fleek. Baby hair is on fleek. The butt. I mean, what? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. The button is down here or down here. One of them. I don't know. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.